this world is just a transient prelude to the life to come. The Quran says that this world in reality has not been made to reward a person for every good deed or to punish him for all his bad deeds. It is only in the hereafter where results will be truly in conformity with the deeds done. Every person who had remained a sincere seeker of the truth would attain success in the world to come. So the Quran is firm that real success is success in the hereafter. So it says, "He who is saved from hell and admitted into heaven indeed has attained success." This is Surah number 3, verse 185. Now, what needs to be done and understood is that Islam wants its adherents to live a profound life in this world by doing whatever they can for its betterment and making their own contribution to it. They must, however, always give priority to the requisites of the hereafter. If at any instance they have to choose between good and evil, they must always try to choose good. Other than this, they must strive to make this world a better place by becoming good scientists, engineers, doctors, lawyers, and the like. All this is inherent in the urges found in human nature. Islam does not curtail these urges. It only directs humans to live with the priority of the hereafter while contributing to this world through their skills and abilities. In short, one must strike a balance between one's struggles and efforts to achieve material success while not overriding the requisites of the life to come.